today is the 28th of August 2021. We have one hankilämtiä. 7 in Järvenpää, Leskenda, Uusimaa, Finland. This residential building was finished in 1985. And this was built. When was it built actually? It doesn't say it. Because these workers are doing it factories by Semag. The number is 13854. No information whatsoever, but this is probably early 1985. High force traction. Early Semag. In Finland it's early. This is amazing. Being inspected in 2023, turned 35 years old in 2020, last year. Probably early 1985.
Yeah.
The basement floor is locked off.
Yeah. It says täyskuortia, it doesn't mean anything.
They couldn't write it. I think it's from Italy.
Yeah.
That's why they wrote it's in misprint.
Yeah.
But we can check on the serial if it's 1985 or 84.
Yeah.
According to the one in, for example, Hiekkaharju, that one, that's 1984.
Yeah.
So you can check it later.
Spektiitpä kiva, jos me eteenpäin sun hissurakointi.
Sales made. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's